Imagine a neighborhood where hundreds of people are searching for vegan and gluten-free food, but the local restaurants don't have those items on their menu. At Pronto, we'll not wait to discover this gap. Data 360 instantly identifies those surges, triggering upsell opportunities to all the relevant restaurants in that vicinity. We'll go a step further and show how much the restaurant stands to gain in revenue by adapting our new item promotion policy. I'm Satya, and in this episode, we'll build a data triggered flow to automate the lead generation and a predictive model to close the deal with the hard data. At Pronto, raw search data is captured through our website behavioral events. Every time a customer looks for a specific filter, Data 360 is listening. It all starts with a calculated insight. This is the logic that finds the missed opportunities hidden in that search data. Look at this join in the SQL. We are matching the customer's zip code from their search directly to the restaurant's physical address. This shows what people are searching for in a specific location. We look for keywords like vegan, but here is the trick. Our filter only picks restaurants that do not currently offer those options. We count those searches to show the missed volume. We aren't just guessing, we are proving there is a gap in the market. Now here is what makes this even more powerful. Marco doesn't have to open the Salesforce at all. In an earlier episode, you saw us create and query a calculated insight using headless data 360. Straight from Claude Code, no UI, no clicks. We are going to do the same thing right now. Watch. I'm going to ask Claude to pull the missed search volume data directly. Here you can see vegan is the biggest gap. We just created the insight. Next, we automate. We build data cloud triggered flow that watches a new missed search volume insight and creates an opportunity. But I did not click through the flow builder to build it. I adopted the headless approach. Salesforce and the broader community have contributed to a public skills library on GitHub called SF Skills, a curated collection of agent skills for building Salesforce applications compatible with Claude Code, Cursor, and any AI tool that supports skills. It includes a skill called Generating Flow that teaches AI tools how to generate production-ready Salesforce flows grounded in your actual org schema. So no hallucinated field names, no broken references. I installed it in my local project by following the README file. Once set up, I gave it in plain English instructions the object to watch, the entry condition, the steps, and it generated and deployed the complete data cloud triggered flow. I'll drop the link to the repository in the description below. Let's now look at the generated flow. Notice our entry condition. The flow only wakes up when the missed search volume is greater than 5. We don't want to overwhelm our sales team for just 1 or 2 searches. That proves it's a real trend. Once that search is confirmed, the flow first step is to reach into Salesforce CRM and find the exact account linked to that physical storefront. Finally, it automatically creates a new opportunity linked to that account. So when our sales rep Marco opens his dashboard, the lead is already waiting for him with the data attached. We just turned a raw web traffic into a highly qualified lead using insights and data cloud triggered flow. But finding the lead itself is half the battle. Marco has to actually close the deal. And nothing closes a sale faster than showing the restaurant owner exactly how much money they are leaving on the table. In the next part, we'll build a predictive model using Einstein Studio to forecast the potential revenue. And then we'll put this AI in the hands of Marco through a custom widget directly on the opportunity page. So let's build it. This is where we build our predictive model without writing a single line of code. I followed a simple wizard to create this model. And going forward, keep an eye on the Data 360 MCP server and the growing SF Skills library. Skills for headlessly managing AI models are already in the works and will be available very soon. Okay, our first step is choosing the model type. A binary model is great for simple yes or no predictions. But since our goal is to predict a specific dollar amount for revenue, we'll select a regression model. To save time, I've already connected the training data and configured the remaining steps. Let me show you what I set up. Let's open it up and walk through exactly how I configured the remaining steps. Right here, you can easily view the data that is used to train the model. You can see the distributions for things like search volume and ad spend. And remember, you don't have to upload static files. You can keep this training data constantly refreshed by streaming it directly into Data 360 using data streams. Let's close this window and look at the next step. I told Einstein to use all records, so it learns from all 690 past promotions. Next, we define the goal. I selected the monthly revenue field and set the goal to maximize. For the variables, I turned off autopilot so we can handpick the inputs. I selected local search volume, proposed ad spend, and the restaurant rating. Now for the math behind the predictions. You can manually choose algorithms like XGBoost or a general linear model. But the beauty of Einstein Studio is that you don't have to be a data scientist to build this. By simply leaving automatic selection enabled, Einstein will evaluate our data behind the scenes and automatically picks the best, most accurate algorithm for our specific use case. Finally, we'll save it to train the model. Once the model finishes training, you can review the results to see exactly what's driving your predictions, like how ad spend is the biggest factor here. Alright, our predictive model is trained and ready to go. But a AI model sitting in a dashboard doesn't close the deals on its own. We need to put it into the hands of Marco exactly when he's speaking to the customers. To do that, we'll build a screen flow that takes inputs like search volume and ad spend and gives the predicted revenue. Once it is built, we can drop this flow into the detail page of opportunity as a custom widget. Okay, let's bring it all together. To bring our AI to the sales team, I've built a straightforward screen flow. It has three simple steps: gather the inputs, run the AI, and show the result. Like I've done before, I've built this screen flow using the Headless 360. Let's look at the first step, the model input screen. This is what our sales rep Marco will see. I've added three simple input fields that exactly match what our model needs: current search volume, ad spend, and restaurant rating. Next is where the magic happens. We added an action element to the canvas. Because we activated our instant model earlier, it shows up right here as an available action called predict monthly revenue. All we have to do is take the values Marco typed into the first screen and map them directly into the model's inputs. The model runs the math in milliseconds. Then we move to the final step. Our model output screen simply takes the result from the instant action and displays it as a massive estimated revenue number on the screen. Let's now debug and test it. Let's input an opportunity ID and run it. Let's play out a real scenario. Say Data 360 found a local search volume surge of 600. Marco pitches our promotion package with a $10,000 ad spend to a restaurant with a solid 4.5 rating. And boom, in real time, the model processes those inputs and predicts an estimated revenue of over 354K. If you look at the debug details on the left pane, you can actually see the exact moment the model was called and executed flawlessly. The model works perfectly in our debug test. Now we just need to give it to our sales team. We jump into the Lighting app builder for our opportunity page. I've added a custom tab here called Revenue Predictor, and I just drag and drop our new screen flow right onto the page, and it's that simple. Now, let's look at this form. Our sales rep Marco's perspective. He opens up this exact missed search volume vegan opportunity that Data 360 automatically created for him earlier. Right there on the page is our AI widget. While Marco is on the phone with the restaurant owner, he can plug in the numbers and instantly generate a data-backed revenue forecast to close the deal. Marco no longer has to guess what a deal is worth. He is not making any cold calls. He has the exact local demand data and AI to prove the return on investment fully automated. In the next episode, we'll tackle with the service. Whether the customer is genuine or gaming with the system. Does a keyword search return the exact answer or misses it completely? We'll answer all of these questions with Data 360 segments and hybrid search. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, make sure to click like button and subscribe for more Salesforce developer updates. See you in the next video.